Hi preschool class, it's Miss Jen with another art video, and we are in the month of April and we are talking about weather. So we're talking about rain and clouds and things that weather that happens in the springtime. And this week we are talking about rain and rain clouds. So the project for this week is going to be rain. So I gave you a canvas just like this one. And yours has your picture on the bottom, and I love to see all your pictures. They were so cute to see everybody holding an umbrella, and they sent me a picture, so I cut it out and put it on the bottom of a canvas. This canvas actually has Rainbow, and it has Morris, and it has Pinky, and they're with an umbrella. So we're gonna paint rain on top of this canvas. So you could do it any way you like. I gave you all different colors. If you decide you want to put clouds or change it any way you want to, you can. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So I gave you all different paint. So I gave you purple, I gave you red, I gave you blue, and I also gave you this little, for your rainbow, these little paints of all different colors. Hopefully you save some of these colors so you can use it for this. So it's going to look really nice because we're going to make rainbow rain. So it's going to be all different color rain. So you choose whichever colors you want. So I gave you a lot of paint, so you choose any one. So you're also going to need your paintbrush that I gave you. And you're going to need, excuse me, a glass of water. And you're going to need a paper towel to make sure to dry off your paintbrush. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip our paintbrush. Then we're going to choose our color. I think I'm going to choose purple first. So all you're going to do is take your paintbrush, put some paint on it, and we're going to just make straight lines all the way down. They don't have to be perfect. You could just, rain is not perfect. So you could just do a straight line. Try to start all the way from the top, and then it doesn't matter how far you end at the bottom. So you're just going to do a line just like that. So you're going to keep doing lines of all different colors. So I'm doing purple again. So I'm going to do another one in purple because I kind of like purple. So I'm just going to go down and paint another line. So once you get to your umbrella, you are not going to paint your umbrella. You're just going to go to your umbrella. So just right there to the top of it, or if your picture is anywhere here, don't paint your picture. Just go to the top of your picture, okay? So just keep painting it. So I'm going to do one more purple line. And so rain is not perfectly straight. So you're just going to make a line all the way down. It doesn't matter how far you go either. So far I got 3 purple rains. So let's dip my paintbrush and clean it off. Just like that. And let's see what color I'm going to use next. I think I'm going to use blue. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush in my blue, and I'm just going to start from the top, and I'm just going to come all the way down. So you're just going to keep going down. So it's so nice. So rain kind of just falls down. So this is rainbow rain. So it's all different colors rain. So sometimes you could just go over it a little bit if it looks too dark, or if it looks like it's a little clumpy. So there's my blue line so far. So there it is. So I'm going to make another blue rainbow rain line. That's some big words. So I'm going to paint down. So remember, your picture is there. So try not to paint all over your picture. You could go all the way to the top of it. Just don't paint on your picture. So there you go. But if you decide to do a different way, like maybe you want your rain to go squiggly, or maybe you want your rain to be a whole bunch of little dots. You could do that. So I'll be so excited to see what you come up with, what kind of rain you make. So I like this, and I already like how the purple and the blue is looking. I think it looks so nice. So I'm going to keep going down in my line. There we go. And there's my rain so far. So let's see, I think the next color I'm going to use is red. So if you use all your paint from your this little container, don't worry about it. Just use your 3 colors. Or if you have some other colors at home, I know I didn't give you pink because pink wasn't one of the colors in a rainbow. You could use that if you like. So if you have some other colors at home and you want to use them, then you could use them. So I'm going to paint my red line all the way down. So the canvas just soaks up the paint. So if you want to go over it a couple times, or you don't have to, you could just leave it light colored. So I'm just going over it because I want it to be dark. So there's my red so far. And red, part of my rainbow. And now I think I'm going to use, I have some leftover paint, so I'm going to use, I think, orange next. So I'm going to clean off my brush. And I'm going to dip my paint. I think I have a little bit of orange left, so I think I'm going to put orange right here. So keep going down, just a line. And there's my orange. I think, let's see, I got a green and a yellow. So let's see which color I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to do the green. So I'm going to clean off my brush. And I'm going to choose the green. Just like that. And I'm going to put a green one right there. So if you start all the way from the top, it kind of looks like the rain is pouring down. So you're going to keep going down. So there we go. Almost all the way done. I'm going to go all the way down. So today it rained. So I'm curious if there was any rainbows. I didn't go outside when it was raining, so I didn't get to see them. But I wonder if any of you put on your boots and went outside to go see, jump in puddles and see some rain. I know a lot of you like to put your boots on and jump in puddles. Okay, let me clean off my brush. And there's my green. So there it is so far. So Pinky, Rainbow, and Morris, they're in some rainbow rain. So I think I have one more, some yellow. I think I have one more spot left. So even if you want to put the paint closer to each other and make it a whole bunch of little lines, you can. My lines are pretty big because I kept going over them. So you could do it any way you want to. So I'm so excited to see how they look. And everybody's photos were so cute. I love all your umbrellas. So I'm excited to see what colors you choose and to see how it looks with your photo and your umbrellas. So I'm going to do this one and color down. Paintbrush in my water. Okay, I got a yellow one. Look so far. Here's my rain. So it's my rainbow rain. So it's raining on Pinky Rainbow and Morris's head. So I think they like it. I think they like the rainbow rain. So I hope you enjoy this art project, and I hope you get out to go play in the rain and put your boots on, and I hope you have fun with this. And I'm excited to see if you do anything different, if you want to make squiggly lines rains or polka dot rain, or what you think rain should look like. So I'll see you later on this week. Bye, preschool class.